Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. After a Christmas break, it's time to get back into producing videos on a regular basis, now in a new shooting location here in Stockholm for the upcoming month. I'm spending 1 full month in Stockholm before heading to London and spending about 4 months there. Today we are gonna have a look at a new microphone that I just purchased. I've been using this setup together with my A6400 for the last 5-6 months. It's a Zoom H1N that has been plugged in and that is attached to the camera. But that thing runs on separate batteries, and I found it to be so annoying that it sometimes run out of battery in the middle of shooting a video that I decided that I'm gonna get rid of the Zoom H1N and replace it with something else. And the replacement I decided to get was this one. This is the Boya BY-MM1 microphone. It's a very similar microphone to the Rode Videomicro, although it's less than half the price of the Rode microphone. Let's unbox it and let's see how it performs compared to my Zoom H1N and the built-in microphone in my A6400 and the built-in microphone in my Osmo Pocket. This is the box. On the front, it just has a bit of compatibility. It could work with a phone, a tablet, a computer, a camera, and a camcorder. On the backside, there is the text that I'm reading out as the audio test for this video. It says a few of the features and some of the specifications. One of the things I'm interested in with this specific microphone is that it weighs only 86 grams and is pretty small. Except that there's nothing else on the box, so let's see what's in the box. First off, some warranty information. Some silica gel. A quick start guide that includes English information. We then reach the actual product, and the first thing we have here is a cord. So this should be a TRRS cord. And as you can see there, it's quite long and it's expandable like that. So this one plugs into the microphone and then into the camera. We then have another cord, which is a TRRS cord. So that one has an extra little line here on the connector, as you can see there. Then we have this, which is the mount for the microphone. And we're gonna put it together and see how it mounts just in a little bit. There is a bag that you can carry everything in. And last but not least, we have the microphone with the pop filter already attached to it. The thing here is that the pop filter, the dead cat here, takes up a lot of the space of the microphone in total. So if I remove this, the microphone is only this piece here. You can see that the dead cat takes up like 3-4 times as much space as the microphone. So this is everything that is in the box. There are 2 cables, the mount for the camera, the microphone itself, the dead cat, some warranty information and starter guides, and the case where you can put everything. First of all, we have to put this holder on. That one comes on pretty easy. And as you can see there, we can choose whether we want to mount it in a cold shoe or if we want to put it on a tripod. The cable plugs into the back of the microphone. And the dead cat gets put onto the front, and you have to push it quite a bit to get it to fit on the microphone, and the whole package when I put it together looks like this. Here is a size comparison of the Boya microphone and my Zoom H1N with the respective pop filters on and with the pop filters taken off. I'm gonna mount it onto the camera and see how it looks there. This is the way it looks mounted onto my A6400. And I can also conclude here that using the TRRS cable did not work in this case. I had to use the TRRS cable for getting sound to pass from the microphone and into the camera. Let's move on to the different microphone tests. This is the audio from the Boya BY-MM1 plugged straight into my Sony A6400 using the TRRS cable that was included in the box. I have the pop filter mounted on it, so it takes a little bit more space in the whole setup because there's this quite big dead cat on the camera. I will read a little bit of text from the packaging of the microphone so that you can get an idea of how the microphone sounds. Compatible with smartphones, tablets, DSLR cameras, consumer camcorders, audio recorders, etc. Compact and lightweight directional mic. Rugged metal construction, no battery required, professional furry windshield included. Here is another audio test, this time without the pop filter on. I figured since the pop filter is quite large and thick, maybe that muffles the sound a little bit, so here's another try without it so we can compare. Compatible with smartphones, tablets, DSLR cameras, consumer camcorders, audio recorders, etc. Compact and lightweight directional mic. Rugged metal construction, no battery required, professional furry windshield included. This is the audio from the Zoom H1N attached to the camera that I'm shooting with. So this is with the camera's preamp and not with the preamp of the Zoom H1N. I'm gonna read a little bit of text so that you can hear how this microphone performs. Compatible with smartphones, tablets, DSLR cameras, consumer camcorders, audio recorders, etc. Compact and lightweight directional mic, rugged metal construction, no battery required, professional furry windshield included. This is the audio of my built-in microphone in the A6400, the Sony A6400. I will read the same text so that you can compare and see how this one sounds. Compatible with smartphones, tablets, DSLR cameras, consumer camcorders, audio recorders, etc. Compact and lightweight directional mic. Rugged metal construction. No battery required. Professional furry windshield included. This is the audio of my Osmo Pocket and the built-in microphone on the DJI Osmo Pocket. Let's read the same text and you can see how this sounds. Compatible with smartphones, tablets, DSLR cameras, consumer camcorders, audio recorders, etc. Compact and lightweight directional mic. Rugged metal construction, no battery required, professional furry windshield included. And that's it for this video. Let me know in the comments below what you think about these microphones, and also have a look in the description if you want to find the different microphones that I have been using in this video. I am W2Best, I make videos about tech, travel and inspiration. I will get to editing and then I will see you in the next video. Have a really nice day, bye bye.